George Lucas is celebrated for creating some of the most iconic franchises in cinema history, from Star Wars to Indiana Jones. But even legendary filmmakers have their missteps, and for Lucas, one of the biggest was 2015's Strange Magic, a fantasy jukebox musical that spent 15 years in development, only to flop spectacularly at the box office. The film transports viewers to a mystical world where fairies and goblins live in uneasy coexistence. In the fairy kingdom, primrose flowers are used to brew love potions, much to the dismay of the Bog King, who despises romance. When fairy princess Marianne and the Bog King cross paths, shared heartbreak begins to bridge the gap between their worlds. Inspired by A Midsummer Night's Dream, Lucas wanted to tell a fairy tale with a fresh twist, drawing influence from his own daughters and aiming to create a Star Wars for girls. That last statement, made in an interview shortly before release, became a PR misfire. While Lucas likely meant to highlight a more female-centric story, the comment unintentionally alienated many fans, particularly women who had long embraced Star Wars. The comparison also left audiences puzzled as to how a whimsical fairy musical connected to a galactic space opera. Music was central to Strange Magic, with Lucas personally curating songs over 5 years. Originally hoping to use Beatles tracks, he settled on a mix of classics and contemporary hits from artists like Kelly Clarkson, Bob Marley, and Elvis Presley. The soundtrack, arranged by award-winning composer Marius de Vries, Romeo and Juliet, incorporated both vocal performances and instrumental covers, including a battle scene underscored by Lady Gaga's Bad Romance. Despite its ambition, the film's execution fell short. Critics and audiences alike found the story thin, the tone uneven, and the animation style polarizing. Released by Disney with minimal marketing just a year after its announcement, Strange Magic debuted to dismal numbers, earning only $13.6 million worldwide against a reported $70 to $100 million budget, resulting in losses estimated at $40 to $50 million. It still holds the record for the lowest ticket sales of any animated film released in over 3,000 theaters. In hindsight, Strange Magic stands as an odd detour in Lucas' career, an experimental passion project that never found its audience. While it failed to enchant at the box office, it's also proof that even the most successful storytellers take creative risks, and sometimes, those risks simply don't pay off.